Good morning from a lovely, beautiful, bright, sunny day here in Mumbai, India.
No, it says bigger than 3 minutes. You ready?
Yep.
Okay.
Are you ready?
I think so. Backing up, strapping up.
Thank you. To the Mumbai airport. If you watched any of our videos before, you will not be surprised to know that our flight boards in 30 minutes. But we're here and we're gonna make it.
You're optimistic.
Always optimistic.
Yeah.
Probably too optimistic because then we always get ourselves in these situations. We made it to our gate with 4 minutes to spare.
Yeah, I think we'll be okay though because I feel like these flights always like are nonchalantly boarding and end up boarding like 15-20 minutes later than it says.
Do you want to share why it was a close call?
So we had a split. They had a male line and a female line, so you went in the female line, I went in the male line.
Good thing that you clarified that.
Yeah, I put, well, because that's part of it, because I kind of lost you. I put my stuff through, of course, both of my bags get pulled. And they made me pull like everything out of this little bag, and they're like, you have knife? And I said, no. They said, it's saying you have knife, and I was like, I don't have a knife. And so they took my boarding pass and went to my bag, and they wrote my name down and everything on this piece of paper. And then, of course, my other bag gets pulled for the camera, and while they're going through that bag, another guy comes up to me and said, you have knife? I said, no. And he said, yes, you have knife. I said, I don't have a knife. And then he looks at my boarding pass too. And then meanwhile, they're digging through my bigger bag. They just pulled the camera battery, and I showed them the camera battery. They're like, okay, you're good. And then I thought you were already sitting out there, so I went out there and I was looking around. I couldn't find you anywhere. And then so I kind of like went around to the side, and I was like, oh my gosh, I guess they pulled you too.
Thank you.
Are you ready for second security?
Oh, I forgot.
We gotta shoot through second security again.
What's it?
38, I think.
Every guy sees in their pocket.
I told you they all have.
And small bags under the seat in front of you, excluding row 1 and the emergency exit doors. Thank you.
I love this song.
I'm trying to do it.
Because of weather, there's a lot of congestion at holding point. We've been advised to hold position for another 15 minutes, subject to traffic clearing up there. If there's any further delay, I'll let you know. Choosing Indigo, have a pleasant flight.
So another 15 minutes we have to wait until we can take it off. It's be extra 15 minutes to play chess.
Are you winning?
Yeah, I'm almost not winning. I'm the white. We are finally going. But the rain looks worse than it did before, so we may get to the runway and then they cut us off. Or they may just go for it. We're going for it. I'm all for it. Hour and 45 minutes late. Astro, so I'll be chilling for a little while longer. Where'd we go? Oh. Man, that's wild. Got 3 doors. It's going.
We're at the Bangalore airport, and I think this might be one of the nicest airports that we've ever seen. We just came out and there's all these restaurants and it's so green and everything's outside and it's beautiful. Okay, we had a security guard come up to us and tell us we couldn't take a video even though we're outside. I don't really understand. We're gonna respect the rules and not film anymore. So it's a nice airport, but we can't show anything else.
It's fun, good. Playing the air piano. It's like the air guitar, but